Another Qatari specialty is shawarma, a Middle Eastern dish made with thinly sliced meat that is marinated in spices and then grilled on a spit. The meat is typically wrapped in a pita bread with vegetables and a variety of sauces, making it a flavorful and filling meal. For dessert, Qatari cuisine offers a variety of sweet treats such as balalit, a vermicelli pudding that is flavored with cardamom and rose water, and luqaimat, sweet dumplings that are served with a syrup made from date molasses and saffron. In addition to these traditional dishes, Qatar has also embraced international cuisine, with many restaurants offering a range of international options such as Italian, Indian, and Japanese cuisine. In addition to these traditional dishes, Qatar has also embraced international cuisine, with many restaurants offering a range of international options such as Italian, Indian, and Japanese cuisine. This diversity of cuisine reflects Qatar's cosmopolitan nature, as it is home to a large expat community from around the world. In addition to its rich and diverse cuisine, Qatar is also known for its unique dining experiences. One of the most popular dining options in Qatar is the traditional Arabic tent, known as a majlis. These tents are set up in many public places and serve as a gathering place for people to socialize, relax, and enjoy traditional Qatari cuisine. Another popular dining experience in Qatar is the Dhow Cruise, which is a dinner cruise aboard a traditional Arabian boat. The cruise offers a unique view of the city skyline and the Arabian Gulf, while guests enjoy a delicious dinner featuring traditional Qatari dishes and fresh seafood. Qatar also has a thriving street food scene, with many vendors selling a variety of tasty treats such as falafel sandwiches, shawarma, and Arabic sweets. One of the most popular street food areas is Souk Waqif, a traditional market in the heart of Doha that offers a wide range of food options and dining experiences. Overall, Qatar's cuisine and dining experiences offer a unique blend of tradition and modernity, reflecting the country's rich cultural heritage and international influence. Overall, Qatar's cuisine and dining experiences offer a unique blend of tradition and modernity, reflecting the country's rich cultural heritage and international influence. Whether you're looking for traditional Qatari dishes or international cuisine, Qatar has something to offer every food lover. The traditional food of Qatar is a reflection of the country's cultural and historical roots, influenced by its Bedouin heritage and the spices and flavors of the Middle East. Here are some of the most popular traditional Qatari dishes. Mashbouz, as mentioned earlier, mashbouz is a popular rice dish that is cooked with a variety of spices and usually served with chicken or lamb. The dish is often garnished with fried onions, raisins, and almonds. Tharid. Tharid is a traditional Qatari dish made with flatbread that is layered with meat, vegetables, and a tomato-based broth. The dish is cooked slowly, allowing the flavors to meld together, and is served hot. Haris. Haris is a dish that is made with a combination of wheat and meat, usually chicken or lamb. The dish is slow cooked for several hours, resulting in a porridge-like consistency that is hearty and filling. Balalit. Balalit is a sweet vermicelli pudding that is flavored with cardamom and rose water. The dish is often served as a dessert or as a breakfast dish. Gouzi. Gouzi is a popular Qatari dish that is made with roasted lamb or goat that is stuffed with rice, spices, and nuts. The dish is often served with a side of salad or hummus. Stuffed camel. While not a dish that is commonly consumed, stuffed camel is a traditional Qatari delicacy that is often served at special events and weddings. Stuffed camel. While not a dish that is commonly consumed, stuffed camel is a traditional Qatari delicacy that is often served at special events and weddings.